Welcome to Khaki Colored Kidz cooking segment. Today we visited the country of France, and since France invented rock climbing, today we went rock climbing. So today we're going to be making a French dish called Potatoes Au Gratin, where we take potatoes and we cut them thinly, and we layer it like a lasagna with cheese and heavy cream. So we're going to start. So you want to make sure to cut them thin, into very thin circles, like this. Then you want to make a layer at the bottom of the dish with the potatoes. And once you're done with that, make a mixture of cheddar cheese and heavy cream. One of the many foods that French people eat is bread and butter. Their diet consists of fruits, vegetables, coffee, bread, butter, milk, cheese. They have a very healthy diet at that. Rock climbing was made in the 1800s. Before, there were all these inventions now that were like, keep us safe when we were falling. They did it without all that, with no harness, and they trusted themselves enough to rock climb by themselves. It was called free soloing. Since we have a lot more inventions, I wasn't as scared of rock climbing because every time I would fall or let go, I would get caught. But I'm very afraid of heights. But with the invention of the harness, we're okay. But people do it still to this day, do rock climbing without a harness. And I'm just thinking, how do you do that without being scared? Because I'm very afraid of heights. But it's just crazy. Okay, we're done. We're almost done with this layer. Now we're gonna make the mixture. I'm gonna put a half a cup of heavy whipping cream. This dish explains how healthy the French are and how they like to stick to their diets, because most of their items consist of milk and cheese and bread. The cheese. We take a cup of cheese. Then we are going to mix this. If your mixture is not it's super runny, then just add more cheese. You kind of want it to be a paste so that it's like a lasagna. Making a mess, but it's okay. Mix until all of it is coated with the heavy cream. This is going to help it be creamier when it melts. So it's not like a cheese pool, but it's like a goopiness. Then we just spread it all around. And we will repeat this over and over until we have just layers of it. But the first layer should look like this, with the cheese not on every piece, but on most of the pieces. So it will spread evenly. And we keep cutting until we fill up the pot, the pan. Then we will put it in the oven $3.25 for an hour and 40 minutes. But I hope you enjoyed the adventure today, and I hope you try this dish because almost every time I had this dish, I liked it. There was one time where I ate a big pepper flake off of it, and it was like huge, and it was so spicy, but other than that, it's really good, and it's really fun to make. Thank you for tuning in to Khaki Colored Kidz cooking segment, and I hope you enjoy the rest of our show. Bye.